best of the fast after the fast of Ramadan is the fast of the month of Allah, the month of Muharram. And the best of the prayer after the obligatory is the prayer of the late part of the night. This prayer of the night, the minimum of it is 1 rak'ah. That's with consensus. Minimum of it is 1 rak'ah. But the maximum of it, we have difference among the scholars. And the correct opinion, which is clear cut, Hadith Aisha is 11 rak'ah. Aisha radiallahu anha, she was asked about this. She was saying, how does he pray the night, during the night? How is the prayer of the Prophet ﷺ during the night? Now she gave an answer for a question which can be coming to the mind of a person, can be there, it could be there. So she's a faqihah. Because when you say the night, the best of the nights, of course, Ramadan. So the people might, if she gives an answer just like, well, the Prophet of Allah does not exceed 11, they might have thought that, well, maybe in Ramadan will be more. But she said, Prophet of Allah does not exceed in Ramadan, she started in Ramadan, or in any other than Ramadan, in any other day, in any other month than the month of Ramadan, he would not exceed more than 11 rak'ah. He would pray 4, don't ask how long they are, and how beautiful they are. And he would pray 4, and don't ask how they are, and how beautiful they are. And then he would pray 3. Now these 4, are they to be 2-2, or 4 together? That's a difference among the scholars. But the best thing is the 2-2, because the hadith of the Prophet of Allah, the prayer of the night and the prayer of the day is 2-2. 2-2. So it's always 2. So it's 4, and that's where the Taraweeh comes in. Is I pray 4, and then there'll be relaxation of the 4. But from the hadith, you can't really deduce that. So here, don't ask about how long and how beautiful they are. Now the people forgotten the quality of the prayer, and they focused upon the quantity of the prayer. The people forgotten the quality, how good and how beautiful, how long they are, and they focused upon the quantity. So they started adding 21, 23, 36, 41. I'm not inventing numbers here. No. These are true numbers. 36, 41. What's this? So they want to make more rak'at instead of concentrating and focusing and making it more longer, more beautiful.